Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI with a review of DeepSeek V3, and we'll be comparing it to the well-known OpenAI models. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI, this video is for you. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about DeepSeek V3. This is one of the newer players in the AI space, and it's been making waves for its versatility and efficiency. DeepSeek V3 is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from natural language processing to data analysis, and it's particularly praised for its speed and accuracy. One of the standout features is its ability to adapt to different industries, making it a great choice for businesses looking for a tailored AI solution. The interface is clean and user-friendly, which is a big plus for those who aren't tech-savvy. It also offers robust customization options, allowing users to fine-tune the model to their specific needs. But how does it stack up against OpenAI? Let's find out. Now, let's compare DeepSeek V3 to OpenAI. Both are powerful AI models, but they have some key differences. First, let's talk about performance. OpenAI models, like GPT-4, are known for their deep understanding of context and their ability to generate human-like text. They're incredibly versatile and have been widely adopted across various industries. On the other hand, DeepSeek V3 excels in speed and efficiency. It's designed to deliver quick responses without compromising on accuracy, which can be a game-changer for real-time applications. Another area where DeepSeek V3 shines is in its adaptability. While OpenAI models are more general-purpose, DeepSeek V3 offers more customization options, making it easier to tailor the model to specific use cases. In terms of cost, DeepSeek V3 tends to be more affordable, especially for businesses that need to scale their AI operations. OpenAI, while powerful, can be more expensive, particularly for high-volume usage. However, OpenAI has the advantage of a larger ecosystem, with a wide range of tools and integrations that can enhance its functionality. When it comes to user experience, both platforms are strong contenders. OpenAI has a more established reputation, and its documentation and community support are top-notch. DeepSeek V3, being newer, is still building its community, but it's catching up quickly with excellent customer support and detailed guides. Users of DeepSeek V3 often highlight its ease of use and the responsiveness of its support team. OpenAI users, on the other hand, appreciate the model's reliability and the wealth of resources available. So, which one should you choose? Well, it really depends on your needs. If you're looking for a highly customizable, cost-effective solution with fast performance, DeepSeek V3 might be the way to go. But if you need a well-established, versatile model with a strong ecosystem, OpenAI is still a solid choice. Ultimately, both DeepSeek V3 and OpenAI are impressive in their own right, and the best choice will depend on your specific requirements. If you've used either of these models, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.